It's Thursday, time for a wonderful workout. Throwback Thursday. Pay attention to the Facebook page if you haven't. In our private Facebook group, we're posting some throwback photos up in there, or on our Instagram page. Be part of the conversation. Get on there and connect with your other mountain strength athletes. Okay, but let's get into this warm up. Looks like a long warm-up. I don't know if anyone can read this. There's so much up here, but let's go through it anyways. We have one round of a 100-meter run, okay, into 20 seconds of a ring row hold. So if you have rings at home, you can do it, or a TRX, you can do a nice hold. So it says top of the hold, which means hands are gonna be at the chest versus arms being straight, okay? Or we're gonna do dumbbell upright rows. So this is not a sumo deadlift. This is just from standing. Arms extended, pull up to the shoulders, and then back down, okay? Upright row. You can use 1, 2 dumbbells or a kettlebell or a barbell, okay? Here, and then it's a bodyweight good mornings, okay? We do these in our warm-up. Just keep the legs and the spine straight, and we're gonna bow forward. Now, when you bow forward, make sure that you are pushing your hip back so your body weight stays over your heels, okay? So you're hinging at the hip, but that hip is actually going in backwards a little bit, okay? Then we're gonna go into one round, run, tempo ring row, or tempo bent over row. Now, tempo is one of those really, really fun, awesome things, okay? The 3-1-1-1-1. It's not a 90s alternative punk band. This is our tempo. So this is always see if I can remember this, the eccentric movement, okay? So 3 seconds down, 1 second hold, 1 second to come up, and a 1 second stop, okay? So if this was a squat, this would take me, I would go 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. I would hold it at the bottom. I would take 1 second to come up, and then 1 second pause at the top. Okay, here in the bent over rows, okay, I'm gonna take 3 seconds to lower that weight, okay? So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, I'm gonna hold it for 1, come up 1, hold it for 1, and then 1, 2, 3, okay? So it's very slow. If you're on the Zoom calls, the coach there this is Thursday, most likely me, will be helping out with the tempo of this, okay? So pay attention to that tempo. Then single arm dumbbell sumo deadlift, okay? So you're gonna do our sumo deadlift, which is the second part, these go together. So this is just from the ground to the waist, okay? Then one round, 100-meter run, 10 ring row or 10 bent over rows, no tempo here, no holds, and 10 double kettlebell or dumbbell sumo deadlift. Okay, so you're gonna hold something in each hand as opposed to it being a single. Now, if you only have one implement, like one kettlebell and not two, then just do what you can do, okay? All right, so as you can see here, we're building up those skills of the sumo deadlift high pull. All right, that was a lot of fun, huh? If you need any more explanation on the tempo, feel free to shoot me an email or a message on Facebook, and I'll help you out, okay? Next, let's get into our next section. All right, we're back for our workout here. Now, we got a Metcon. It's 4 rounds for time, but it's every 3 minutes at the 4-minute mark, okay? So, it's a 1-minute run, bike, row, or burpees, okay? So if you're doing one of the Zoom classes from home, we'll be doing burpees for a minute. Now, try not to go too fast. I know you all love burpees and you're all excited, like, yay, burpees. Pace it out, okay? A burpee should take you about 3 seconds to do. 1 down, 1 up, 1 jump, okay? Pause, go back down, okay? 15 Russian swings. So if you have a kettlebell or a set of dumbbells, you can do some Russian swings. So yes, you can do Russian swings with a dumbbell. You can do a single through the legs, same as we do a regular kettlebell swing, or you can hold 2 dumbbells coming through. You can also go out to the side of the body if you have dumbbells, okay? But if you have a kettlebell, this would be ideal. If you have a backpack, you do that too. So 15 Russian swings into bent over rows, 20 bent over rows, okay? Again, you can use anything, dumbbells, kettlebell, or a barbell for that movement. But ideally for this workout, you probably won't use a barbell. You would just go whatever you use for Russian swings, you would just use for the bent over row, okay? If you only have one, you would do 10 left, 10 right on those rows, okay? Score is time for each set, so you're gonna keep track of how long that takes you, and then rest until the next 3 minutes starts. I almost said 4 minutes, but it's 4 sets. So this should be a 12-minute workout, okay? That's it, you know, we have an optional finisher today, okay? So let's go through our finisher. All right, here is our finisher today, some abs and glutes. Everybody likes abs and glutes, right? All right, so 2 to 3 sets. If you're in Zoom class, we're doing 3. 10 alternating V-ups or tuck-ups, okay? Into side plank hip raises and single leg glute bridge ups. So that's 10 left, 10 right, okay? Doing our bridge ups, all right? Rest as needed between sets. So if you're in one of the Zoom classes, we'll go through all this, take a short break, get back into it, okay? If you're at home, take as long as you want. Maybe 10, 20 seconds rest, okay? This isn't too difficult. I think you can do it, all right? And that's it. No measure, we're not keeping track of this, so just make sure you get it done. This is some really good abs and glutes. It's bulletproofing the body. It's what we need to do, especially if you've been sitting this whole time in quarantine. If you're working from home and you're stuck at your desk most of the day at home, this is going to help alleviate some of the issues that sitting at a desk tends to happen with, okay? Excellent. So we'll see you at Movement Demos next, and we'll see you tomorrow for our workout. Talk to you later.